Rupprecht Quietsch, General Manager of the JW Marriott Marquis in Dubai.
Nice to meet you. Okay, so how do you feel about getting Miss World, and my congratulations for you.
Very excited, very excited. I think we have one of the nicest new hotels in the world. The owner, Emirates Airlines, really invested a lot of money. It's a big vision, and we put a great team together, and we just love it. We're having great fun and great success.
Okay, so it give you something like in front of your competitors. Yes?
Yeah. Well, I tell you, it's very hard to define luxury today. But in our category, when you have the luxury of time and when you anticipate and see the people's mind, I think that's very important. And our staff is doing a great job. So I think they deserve this award very well.
Okay, what's something new you have for the next year to win again, hopefully?
Well, we have our second tower opening next year. We have 2 towers, so it will be one of the largest hotels in the Middle East. And we have more restaurants coming. We have 9 restaurants already. We have more coming. So there's plenty more good news coming our way.
Oh, this is perfect. Thank you so much, and congratulations again.
Thank you.
Nice to see you.